Welcome to an exclusive unboxing of the Yeezy 350 V2 linen. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really helps out the channel. And of course, check out the soulsupply.co.uk, sign up, turn on release reminders, and that way you will never miss a drop such as these banging shoes. So as you can see, the linen are creamy. They are buttery. Look at them, they are absolutely unbelievable, Jeff. Coming with a clean upper, all cream all the way across it, and then this is matched across the midsole. This is then coupled with like an icy blue-grey reflective stripe. Shout out to the 3M across this, looks absolutely crazy. And then this iced out blue collar as well. This shoe fits a bit small, just a bit snug. We would suggest going at least half a size up if you are hoping to cop a pair, and they will be dropping this Saturday the 18th of April. Unbelievable scenes, Jeff, £180. It's a huge week for Yeezy. The Yeezy resin will be releasing as well, aka the slide. Check out our last unboxing if you want to take a closer look at them. It's a no from me, Jeff, on them, but it's a yes from me on these. As I said, this shoe is perfect for summer. The cream looks banging, paired with a nice pair of white socks. Unbelievable. What more could you ask for? I've been playing too much FIFA, as you can tell, because I keep saying unbelievable scenes, Jeff. Cheers, Jeff. Thanks, Jeff. It's a perfect day for the player. Scored a hat-trick. Unbelievable, Jeff. If you're hoping to cop a pair of these, on resale, there's always going to be a pretty penny to be made on Yeezys, but the hype has slowed down a little bit. But there are low stock numbers on these as far as we are aware. Compared to maybe the Cinder, there's going to be half the stock unit, so it will be a difficult cop. So make sure you're waking up at 7 AM nice and early, maybe even 6:30. Get yourself a cup of coffee. Join the queue in on adidas. Join the queue in on Adidas, and with that you've got the best chance of copping. We will leave a link down in the description for full raffles as well as retailers that will be stocking them. And best of luck if you're trying to cop a pair. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 linen, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya. And if you can't tell, I really miss my bar, but look at my barnet, man.